casting co-chaired a meeting, and it was felt that let's do something different.
Yeah.
Goa is known for its carnivals. Goa is known for the vibrancy that city brings. So to just add that element to the entire proceedings, we thought it would be fair if we create a parade which can bring out the cinematic diversity of our country. And I'm very happy if the visuals of the parade are truly captivating. The parade was close to 1 kilometer long, with more than 30 floats coming in from different production houses and state governments. And मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बड़ी अच्छी बात उस दिन जब मैं उनके साथ में था तो उन्होंने कहा कि इस बार हमने इफी को जनता का इफी कर दिया है।
सर, एक जमाना था लोगों को लगता था फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, इसमें तो एक किस्म की फिल्में ही प्रदर्शित की जाती हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक नाउ फिल्म फेस्टिवल एंड स्पेशली इफी इज डिफाइंग दैट हर किस्म की फिल्म के लिए यहाँ जगह है, चाहे वो यंगस्टर्स हों, चाहे वो एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्टर्स हों या लेजेंड्स हों, सबके काम के लिए एक अलग जगह इफी में बनी है।
तो इफी को हम एक तरफ तो फेस्टिवल की बात है ही, यहाँ पे जो सिनेफाइल्स हैं उनको मौका मिले दुनिया की बेस्ट फिल्म्स को देखने का, और हम इसको एक अलग तरीके से सोचते हैं। हम जो वेव्स का जो हमारा बाजार है, फिल्म बाजार है, वो स्थापित करने के पीछे उद्देश्य यही था कि हमारी जो क्राफ्ट है उसको कॉमर्स मिले। एंड पैशन एक जगह है, लेकिन पैशन जब तक पैसा नहीं बनेगा तब तक वो सस्टेन नहीं हो पाएगा एज एन इकोनॉमिक इम्पेरेटिव। तो ये सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस बार हम लोगों ने बहुत फोकस किया था हमारे वेव्स के फिल्म बाजार के ऊपर। बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इस बार रिकॉर्ड तौर पे बिक्रियां हुई हैं फिल्मों की, कोलैबोरेशंस हुए हैं, और ये सब हमारे क्रिएटर्स, लाखों लोग हमारे देश में आज इस प्रोसेस से जुड़े हुए हैं, उन सब के लिए बहुत बड़ा एक मौका रहा है। साथ ही साथ क्रिएटिव माइंड्स ऑफ टुमारो इस बार 125 पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ में रहा, और विश्वास मानिए इसमें से ऐसे कई बच्चे रहेंगे जो आने वाले 2-3 साल में नेशनल अवार्ड्स जीतेंगे। इस बार हुआ है, एक बार पिछले 2022 एडिशन के एक विजेता क्रिएटिव माइंड्स के, इस बार हमारे अवार्ड्स के विजेता क्रिएटिव माइंड्स के भी विजेता थे एक जमाने में। तो ये सब एक यूथ फोकस्ड सारे सोसाइटी में सबको मौका मिल जाए, इसलिए हमारे देश के नूक एंड कॉर्नर से इस बार पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आए, हमारे सिनेफाइल्स आए।
हम तो यही कहेंगे सभी की ओर से कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आईएनबी को बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इफी। थैंक यू।
Thank the government of Goa, people of Goa, citizens of Goa,
Certainly,
and each one of them who made this event truly memorable.
It is a success. Thank you, sir. And with Nitin, we have somebody really special. देखना ये है कि कौन है भाई। नितिन, किसको लेके आए हो? आइए देखते हैं।
यहाँ पे तो बहुत ही कमाल के लोग हैं, इतना ही बोलूंगा। संजय जाजू साहब से बात हो रही थी ना, सो संजय जाजू साहब एंड अश्विनी वैष्णव जी, ऑफ कोर्स एनएफडीसी ने एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की जो कि अभी सितंबर में आई थी, बड़ा सारा प्यार आप लोगों ने उसको दिया, तारा एंड आकाश। उसके जो हमारे स्टार्स हैं वो हमारे साथ यहाँ पे इस समय, अलंकृता एंड जितेश ठाकुर। ठाकुर साहब, आई विल स्टार्ट विथ यू, हाउ डज इट फील टू बी हियर?
दिस इज अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सिनेमा, ऐसा मौका जो नए फिल्म मेकर्स हमारे जैसे उनको विंग्स दे देते हैं उड़ने के लिए, और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं जो हमारी आवाज़ घर घर तक पहुंचती है। रिसेंटली जैसे आपने कहा कि हमारी फिल्म तारा आकाश रिलीज हुई है बड़े पर्दे पे, और लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया और लोगों को समझ में आया कि फाइनली ये जो स्क्रिप्चर्स में कहा गया है और राधा कृष्ण का प्यार, फाइनली ये लोग दोबारा बड़ी स्क्रीन पे लेकर के आए हैं। और ऐसा स्पिरिचुअल लव जो कि आजकल का जो प्यार है, जो कि बहुत पैशनेट है, एक दूसरे को रोकता है, ये उड़ने के लिए कहता है, और कहता है कि जो सच्चा प्यार है ना वो एकदम फ्री है, वो एकदम फ्रीडम के पास ले जाता है। तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे वापस आकर, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हमारी फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग हो रही थी और लास्ट मंथ हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हुई है थिएटर्स में। So बहुत
a whole new journey, like from starting, because our film selected at IFFI 2023-2024 को हमने premiere किया. Our film also went to TIFF, Toronto International Film Festival. Now you're finally here after releasing it. We feel so proud कि दो government ने मिल के produce किया है. Not only Indian government, also Switzerland government also produced this film, and it worked really good on by PVR INOX is released everywhere. So I think coming back to IFFI is just like coming back home, because it's where you meet everyone, all the similar faces all around the world. और ये सबसे largest film festival of Asia, to come back and celebrate cinema, like-minded people, all in one roof that government is providing us. I'm so thankful to our government for giving us wings to fly, to people like us, and very, very supportive towards the new
so happy to be back on this red carpet again, you know, meeting like your idols, meeting Shekhar Kapoor ji, meeting these fantastic filmmakers all over the world, and they're just sitting next to you, they're watching film, they're watching cinema, enjoying it with you. So this shows there are no boundaries in the world. है ना, पूरे हमने जो बनाया हुआ एक बाउंड्री, एक वेस्ट सिनेमा, ईस्ट सिनेमा, एक साउथ सिनेमा, एक नॉर्थ सिनेमा, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. यहाँ पे पता चलता है कि सब लोग साथ में बैठे हैं.
Everybody is equal, everybody's creative discussion, everybody is discussing the love for cinema, and we can just hear the conversation that uplifts people. I think this is the joy that we are here for. We celebrate cinema for 8 days. I think that's lovely.
तेलुगु, तमिल, मलयालम, हिंदी, मराठी, सारे सिनेमा सब साथ में आ रहे हैं, सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. ऐसा मौका कहीं नहीं मिलता है,
और ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता इतने जोशीले लोगों से बात करने का. आई लव द एक्साइटमेंट, जितेश. थैंक यू अलंकृता फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस, एंड दैट्स ऑल वी हैव फॉर यू. होप यू एंजॉय द इवनिंग. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट गेस्ट. हमारे साथ कोई बहुत ही खास है जो प्रियदर्शनी के साथ है.
वेल देखिए, रेड कार्पेट पर हम आ चुके हैं और हमने देखा कुछ नेशनल कुछ इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट्स यहाँ पर थे, और अब हमारे साथ है राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा जी, जो इंटरनेशनल फिल्म कंपटीशन की जो ज्यूरी थी उसके चेयरमैन है. सर, फर्स्टली वेलकम टू द रेड कार्पेट.
नमस्कार. What a lovely day.
Yes, it is, sir, and the energy is actually infectious. इतने सारे लोग, इतने सारे creative minds all under one roof. But इस बार जो international participation था वो जाहिर है हमने देखा भी, more than 80 plus films were screened here at IFFI. How difficult was the process of sifting through so many films?
It was not about easy or difficult. It was the standard of films, and the level of films were really up there. So I must say, if he has put the festival, the Indian festival, on the map right out there,
Right.
and it's not very far away when we will be counted among the best 5, and we are, if we are not already.
So, what are those things which, as a jury person, somebody when watches a film actually takes a note of?
You got to leave your mind and intelligence out of the room and go with your heart and instincts and feel the film and the emotions. The films were beautiful. They were from different parts of the world. They were from South America and Far East and everything in between, from Japan, from the Middle East, and it was absolutely, it kind of rekindles the fire within you when you see such beautiful cinema. I must give it to, and my heartiest congratulations to the INB Ministry, to the Minister himself, his wonderful team, the Secretary, the Joint Secretary, and all the officials who made this happen. And they've been working, slugging hard for the last couple of months. And today is the big day, as you can see, and you can see the smiles on the faces.
Yes, so actually this is a very good opportunity for students also, film students, cinema students. For them, what do you have to say, that they must come and attend IFFI even in the coming years?
I myself, I am a student of cinema, so yeah, it is an absolutely God-sent opportunity. ये जो what the government has done, not only for the students of cinema like me and the upcoming ones, but also for the general public, because the theaters went full. In fact, there were houseful board every time. There were people outside. Shows had to be repeated. So that is the real success pointer to a good festival.
Speaking of success, I think actually IFFI is a successful festival indeed. Well, thank you so much for speaking to us here, sir.
All mine. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैं इंसान इसलिए बोल रहा हूं बिकॉज ये पर्दे पर तो जलवे बाद में दिखाते हैं, वैसे भी बड़े कमाल के इंसान हैं. नवाज भाई हमारे साथ, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी साहब, सो वेलकम. थैंक यू वेरी मच। इफ्फी के मंच पर जाने से पहले इस रेड कार्पेट पे हैं आप, इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया, 56वां साल है। मुझे बताएं कैसा लगा है सबसे पहले यहाँ आके?
ऑफ कोर्स मैं होपफुल मेरे ख्याल से मैं 3-4 बार आ चुका हूँ और ये 4th टाइम है मेरा यहाँ पे, और हमेशा अच्छा लगता है। और जिस तरीके से क्रेडिबिलिटी बना के रखी फेस्टिवल ने, वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। और होपफुली हमारी गवर्नमेंट जो है, इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ है हमारे गवर्नमेंट का, और इसी तरीके से आगे चलता रहे, यही वो मेरी मनोकामना है।
इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर्स जो है ना, उनके लिए आई थिंक दिस इज अ बिग 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 ह्यूज प्लेटफॉर्म। उनके लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे जिनको वो जगह मिलती है और वो अपनी एटलीस्ट फिल्म दिखा पाते हैं?
ऑफकोर्स बहुत बड़ी बात है ये कि इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्मों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, और उसके लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म है। और होपफुली मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले वक्त में इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्मों को रिलीज के लिए भी, सिनेमा हॉल में रिलीज के लिए भी सपोर्ट करेगी गवर्नमेंट।
एब्सोल्युटली। अभी मुझे बताएं, आपकी फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग हुई कल रात, थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में।
फिल्म 19 दिसंबर को रिलीज हो रही है नेटफ्लिक्स पे, और बहुत ही शानदार मूवी है। और आई होप के लोग कल जब स्क्रीनिंग हुई थी तो लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया उस फिल्म को, और बहुत ही अलग तरह का, बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक और बहुत ही सटल एक्टिंग है वहाँ पे।
We had 17 entries, out of which 5 Goan films were screened here, and 2 movies, The Pilot and Claudia, got their gala premiere screened during this film festival. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
और जितना भी कंटेंट है आप उसमें फ्री में देख सकते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। उसमें इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्में भी होंगी और बहुत सारा अच्छा कंटेंट मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ, और लोग देखेंगे उसको।
थैंक यू सो मच हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए। एंजॉय द रेस्ट ऑफ द इवनिंग, बाय। थैंक यू सो मच। नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी साहब के बाद ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा गले मिलन समारोह यहाँ पे होते हुए, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन 2 ग्रेट्स मीट, यही होता है। मधुर भंडारकर साहब और साथ में नवाज भाई। मधुर सर वेलकम। क्या लग रहे हैं, मतलब कमाल कर रहे हैं इस कलर में।
So we all are rooting for चांदनी बार 2 सर। अभी हमने सुन लिया रेड कार्पेट पे। फर्स्टली इफी में आपका स्वागत है, रेड कार्पेट पे आपका स्वागत है। Say something about इफी, how is the feeling right now?
Great feeling and always pleasure to be over here. अच्छा लगता है कि इफी में आके 56 इफी है, और मैं मेरे ख्याल से 2002 से जुड़ा हूँ, जब श्रीफोर्ट से शुरू हुआ था। चांदनी बार मेरे को याद है पिक्चर दिखाई गई थी, और उसके बाद आज यहाँ पे 2025 है, इतने साल हो गए। तो मेरा एक लगाव रहा है इफी को लेकर। हमारे देश का बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड फंक्शन, एक फेस्टिवल है, और इंटरनेशनली भी कई बार मुझे मौका मिला इंडिया की तरफ से रिप्रेजेंट करने के। 2 बार मुझे कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल में भी भारत सरकार की तरफ से मैं गया, 2019 में, 2023 में। अच्छा लगा मुझे, और मैं इस बात की खुशी होती है कि इतना अच्छा फेस्टिवल जो होता है हर साल, जहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह के फिल्म मेकर्स, अलग अलग प्रांत के फिल्म मेकर, एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, टेक्नीशियन, सब एक मंच पे और एक छत के नीचे आते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर। और इस बार आपने एक मास्टर क्लास भी ली कुछ FTI के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, वो इंटरेक्शन कैसा रहा था उसके बारे में बताएं।
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे लगा कि आज की तारीख में जितने अपने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, SRPR के थे और FTI के थे, स्टूडेंट के साथ इंटरेक्शन बहुत अच्छा रहा। कई चीजें मुझे भी सीखने मिली उनके पास, क्योंकि वो आज युवा पीढ़ी है, वो जेनजी जिनको बोलते हैं वो है। और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि उनके पास कई ऐसी चीजें थी, कई उन्होंने मेरी पिक्चर से लेकर सवाल पूछा, कई मेरी पिक्चर के बारे में उन्होंने हर चीज मेरे जो देखी थी उन्होंने जिन्होंने देखी थी, इससे बात हुई। तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि इस तरह से लोग सीख रहे हैं। कहीं मैंने उनको प्रेरणा दी कि इंस्पिरेशन किस तरह से आपको बहुत ही संघर्ष करना पड़ता है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो ये आसान बात नहीं है।
थोड़ी बहुत पार्शियलिटी भी हम देखते हैं कि मतलब अवार्ड शोज में पार्शियलिटी हो जाती है, तो आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इफी जो है बहुत ही जेन्यून है, अवार्ड मान सकते हैं या फिल्म फेस्टिवल मान सकते हैं?
ये मैं ज़रूर बोलूँगा। एंड पार्शियलिटी तो स्कूल में भी हो ही जाती थी। इंसान की जो फितरत है, ना चाहते हुए भी थोड़ी पार्शियलिटी कर लेता है, तो थोड़ा बहुत आई थिंक 19-20 हम झेल लेंगे, उससे ज़्यादा थोड़ा तो कष्ट होता है, और ज़्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी में नहीं जाते हैं। मैं इफ़ी अगेन कहूँगा कि इफ़ी का जो मीनिंग है, इफ़ी का जो जिस तरह NFDC और ये पूरी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि मैं पिछले साल भी था यहाँ पर, और जो इनका उद्देश्य है, इनकी जो कर्तव्य परायणता है, इनका जो इंगेजमेंट है, इनकी जो मेहनत है, मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत हार्ट से और बहुत सच्चाई से इस फेस्टिवल को चला रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये बहुत सालों तक चलेगा और ये भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि और राइज करेगा।
सर रूटेड सिनेमा की बात की जाए तब तो लगता है कहीं ना कहीं रूटेड सिनेमा जो है मतलब डिजिटल सिनेमा
है, बट मैं अपने अनुभव से बोलूँगा कि जो इंडिविजुअल स्टेट्स की जो सिनेमा है काफ़ी अच्छा कर रही है, चाहे वो मराठी सिनेमा बोलिए, मलयालम सिनेमा और पंजाबी सिनेमा, तो अलग अलग जगह से काम तो हो रहा है। ऑफकोर्स मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं एफी को काफ़ी तारीफ करूँगा कि ये एक मंच दे रहे हैं, एक जगह दे रहे हैं जहाँ लोग आ सकते हैं। मैं जब लास्ट ईयर था यहाँ पर मैंने देखा था कि यहाँ पे यूथ को लेके बहुत कुछ नया शुरू किया था। देयर वाज अ कैंपेन जहाँ इंडिया से यूथ आया था, उन्होंने शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाए थे, तो मौका दिया। सो नए ऑफकोर्स आप अपनी जगह आप सही कह रहे हैं। आई थिंक रूटेड जो सिनेमा है हमारे इंडिया की जो इंटीग्रेटेड स्टेट्स और इतनी जो कहानियाँ हैं वो बाहर आनी चाहिए। काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है एंड आई एम श्योर आने वाले वक्त में और ये जरिए रहेंगे और हम लोग की जो कहानियाँ हैं हमारे तक भी और पूरी दुनिया तक पहुँचेंगी। मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ अपनी फिल्म को अनाउंस करने के लिए, तो अगर आप इजाज़त दें बाहर आके फिर आपसे जरूर ध्यान रखिए आप सब।
सिनेमा में फिल्में देखी जा रही हैं, वर्टिकल का भी जमाना है, ये इतने प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिल रहे हैं व्यूअर को। व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं वही कहा ना कि आज की युवा पीढ़ी को, आज के जंजी जो युवा है उनके लिए इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म। हमारे टाइम पे ये सब नहीं था, तो मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि जिन्होंने इस तरह का नया शुरू किया है, ओटीटी हो या भारत सरकार ने कहीं लोगों को चांस दिया है फिल्म बनाने के लिए। आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म जो अपना हुनर, अपना टैलेंट जो है वो लेके आ सके।
थैंक यू सर, प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।
आराम से हाँ। सामान देना भैया।
अब आगे क्या करना है? वो बिट्टू की पर्ची में देखो ना, कहाँ गई पर्ची?
नमस्ते
जी।
हाँ? मुझे पता है वो पर्ची में क्या लिखा होता है। आप चलिए मेरे साथ। व्हील चेयर, ये आपका और ये
हाँ।
आपका। पर्ची में शॉपिंग की बात तो जरूर लिखी होती है।
Not just Indian films, we are talking about world cinema. And इस समय मेरे साथ कोई बहुत ही खास है। Quickly, if you have to, sum up the entire journey for us, how was it for you, sir?
این فیلم یه بخشی از زندگی شخصی من بود و در مورد زنان ایران و خانواده‌های ایرانی در شرایطی که دارن زندگی میکنن و برای من خیلی تجربه
opening festival in the state USA and first time the 50 women directors movies are screened here in this IFFI. So this IFFI is one of the prestigious festival in Asia level and the world level. Thank you. Sir, how successful was the AI inclusion this time? So this year, you rightly pointed out, AI also we have given a platform. Apart from that, 130 youngsters we gave a platform. So every year the new things we are adding. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Struggling to buy a laptop, but he doesn't have the money to buy a laptop. That's why he's cutting his hair, her hair, and to sell that hair and then buy a laptop.
Amazing, looking forward to this film. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to be, interacting with you, and thank you so much for all the help. Cheers. All right, Priyadarshini, over to you.
Well, on the red carpet, we have Trinha here. Well,
thank you so much for having us.
And congratulations. You are also here at IFFI. How is the feeling right now? Kaisa chal raha hai festival?
IFFI is always amazing. I was here last year as well. Yeah. And I think it's a privilege and honor to be back. It's a beautiful, very powerful, big magnitude film festival in India.
This is the first day you have attended or at the closing, or you have been here for some time?
Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't attend. But I was here last year with a premiere of a film, and I did spend time at the Time Bazaar and IFFI, and it's my favorite festival. So I'm lucky we could make it, and big thanks to NFDC, big thanks to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, so that we can come here and announce a film.
Yes. Let's talk something about your film. Tell us, the viewers, what is the film all about?
Actually, we are just going to announce the film.
Oh, so it's a big secret? Keep watching.
but we are here to announce the film, and it's a very important film.
देखिए फेस्टिवल ऐसे हैं जब हम सिनेमा स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं फिर सिनेमा में काम करने लगते हैं बट वी कीप अटेंडिंग व्हाट इज दैट वन यूनिक थिंग जो आप किसी भी फेस्टिवल में जाए बट यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट
I'm not saying this because I'm at IFFI. I think IFFI is a grand and a very big film festival. Like I said, I was there last year and I saw the work that they've done internationally, how they kind of bring international cinema and art to India, how they are fabricating, regional cinema, how they're giving an opportunity to the youth and youngsters. So I just feel that, for me, again, I'm not saying this just because my movie is being announced here. It's a privilege to be at this festival, and I think the noise and the sound and the fabrication of this festival goes to the entire world. And like you said, so festivals are a great arena to bring cinema together and different forms of art so that we can have a dialogue and accept the enrichment of different ideas. So I feel festivals have a great ground of empowerment for human beings, for humanity, for cinema, for art.
Well, you have put it all so beautifully. I would like to know your thoughts as well.
Honestly, I think Amit has spoken for the two of us, and I was really in awe of what you were talking about. It is my first film festival experience, I mean, for the 56th. I'm so glad that I could be a part of this, and I'm quite waiting with bated breath to announce what we are doing further. So here's more to it.
Well, the way you guys have introduced it, we all are really intrigued and excited. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Thank you.
Jai Hind, and I love Doordarshan.
Well, we all love Doordarshan. Thank you so much. And on the red carpet, Nitin is waiting with yet another special guest.
Of course, special guest, बड़े special हैं ये भी, क्योंकि अभी त्रिधा से और अमित भाई से बात हो रही थी यहाँ पे प्रियदर्शनी की. हमारे साथ नमोशे हैं, and he's a brilliant actor. Of course, we all know that. Tell us, something about that project, because उन्होंने तो they said we are not going to spill the beans. क्या होने वाला है, क्या announcement होने वाला है, थोड़ा तो कुछ बता दो.
It's a very very important film. बहुत ही मज़ेदार धमाकेदार अनाउंसमेंट होने वाली है. अमित भाई, त्रिधा, मैं और एक बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार भी इस फिल्म में हैं.
Namaste Goa, Namaste India, Namaste cinema lovers from every corner of the planet. No namastes coming our way. Namaste.
Namaste Goa.
Namaste. We don't start anything without a namaste. Thank you everyone for making it this evening. We promise tonight is going to be worth every moment.
9 magical days, more than 240 films, 81 countries, millions of cinema-beating hearts, and the festival team's round-the-clock commitment. Welcome to the grand closing ceremony of the 56th International Film Festival of India. Let's give a huge round of applause, guys.
We celebrate the 50th anniversary of NFDC, the National Film Development Corporation, the powerhouse that's been scripting India's silver screen dreams for half a century. And we are closing the 56th edition of IFFI, a festival founded in 1952 by the visionaries who believed Indian stories deserve a golden spotlight. So today's closing ceremony is quite special.
And you know us, we are truly cinematic at heart. Our climax are always bigger, memorable and truly exceptional. So for next two and a half hours, be ready to be amazed because tonight we close IFFI 2025 in style.
Whoa! Please put your hands together and welcome India's biggest superstar,
Mr. Rajinikanth!
But before we begin this evening of awards, performances and special moments, let's begin the way every Indian evening should, together as one. I request everyone, please take your seats because we're going to rise for the national anthem. Everyone rise for the national anthem, please.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind and welcome to the grand closing ceremony of the 56th International Film Festival of India.
And making sure every moment tonight is accessible to all our friends in every community, our Indian Sign Language interpreters joining us right here on stage through the evening. Thank you for being the bridge.
This year's festival is proud to spotlight Japan as our country of focus, Spain as our partner country, and Australia as the spotlight country, bringing global stories and cultural exchange to the stage. From the Carnival opening parade to the world premieres, from AI films to restored classics, from Miramar beaches screenings to master classes with global legends, IFFI 2025 has been nothing short of spectacular.
Let's relive the magic one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, turn your attention to the official glimpse of IFFI 2025.
Tonight, right here in this stadium, and look at this stadium. Just look around you, ladies and gentlemen, seated in front. Just look around you. See how packed. And right here in this stadium, the same sacred energy is about to awaken a divine. The divine with a Ganesh Vandana that flows into the cosmic storm of Shiv Tandav performed by the Miracle on Wheels troupe, an inspiring collective of specially abled artists who bring life-stirring narratives of dignity, equality and empowerment.
They open their act with a relevant Ganesh Vandana, setting the tone for a performance rooted in grace, strength and the human spirit. Please join us in welcoming them with your warmest applause.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने विक्रमाय गुह्य प्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने
गाढानुरागाय ग्रन्थाय गीताय ग्रन्थार्थतत्त्वविदे
गुणवते गणपतये ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि
जटाटवीकलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थलेखदेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां जटाटवीकलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थलेखदेवलम्ब्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां टमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवट्टमर्पयं टमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवट्टमर्पयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं करोतु नः शिव शिव
धन्यवाद. हे सामान्य प्रायमर देशाच्या व्हाईटेस्ट पुट्टी बिर्ला व्हाईट पुट्टीच्या लायक समजल्याबद्दल.
बिर्ला व्हाईट पुट्टी सोबत फक्त बिर्ला व्हाईट प्रायमर ही जोडी देते ब्राईटनेसचे ॲडव्हान्टेज म्हणजे बिर्ला व्हाईट सिमेंटचे ॲडव्हान्टेज. पुट्टी आणि प्रायमर व्हाईटेस्ट तर भिंती ब्राईटेस्ट.
It was an inspiring display of strength, discipline and sheer talent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for them.
Warm, heartfelt applause for Miracles on Wheels.
Thank you so much for this beautiful, powerful performance. Thank you. Thank you.
Showing us that there is absolutely no limitation, none whatsoever.
And as we move forward this evening, we would like to mention a leader whose vision continues to guide Indian creative and cinematic landscape. The Honorable Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Ashwini Vaishnavji.
Shri Ashwini Vaishnavji could not be with us in person tonight, but his support for cinema, culture and India's creative future has been at the very heart of this festival.
He champions technology, empowers storytellers and continues to strengthen India's presence on the global cultural stage.
With his best wishes and support, we continue the celebrations tonight, and we are privileged to welcome the dignitaries who are to join here in person tonight as we celebrate cinema in all its colors. We are honored to have with us leaders who have played a vital role in shaping and supporting India's cultural ecosystem.
So ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming on stage Shri Sanjay Jaju, Secretary Ministry of INB. Come on guys, let's give a user applause.
Sanjay Jaju ji, everyone. Sanjay ji, would be honored if you'd share your thoughts on this closing ceremony with us.
Thank you very much. It's indeed been the most memorable film festival. All of you would agree with this, and qualitatively, quantitatively, a festival which had wonderful films being played out, the film bazaar, the base film bazaar bringing in the record investments and buying and selling. At the same time, first time we have the AI hackathon, the creative minds of tomorrow bringing in close to 125 participants. All goes with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, who during the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit said, this is the dawn of orange economy. And truly, International Festival this year has been a step in that direction. It will not just provide opportunities to our creators, but at the same time, it will also take the Indian flag to the entire world. So very happy, thanks to Government of Goa, people of Goa, each one of us who've worked hard to bring this festival to life.
खुर्ची एक खुर्ची ही आहे ताकदीची. कुणाला भुलवते, कुणाला भिडवते, कधी आकाशाची सैर करवते.
Empower young talent entering the content industry.
The Union Cabinet has approved the creation of the Indian Institute of Creative Technologies, and IICT is a very important step that's going to allow our creators to not just hone up their skills and their craft, but at the same time learn the technologies which are so integral these days to any creative production. IICT Goregaon Film City campus is going to take a couple of years, but NFDC campus of IICT has already started to function, and large number of creators are now getting benefited, and we are pretty certain that all this will pave the way for the creative economy and its development in our country.
Sanjay ji, I had one question. IICT, where are they planned and how many? Do you have any specifics? Very exciting step.
Yeah, so and IICT is not just going to be in Mumbai alone, it's a hub and spoke model. While we have the hub in Mumbai, there will be large number of spokes across the country, so that the creators from various parts of our country get the benefit of learning the skills and honing their art.
Fantastic. IFFI being a platform that showcases cutting-edge global cinema, how can the festival encourage meaningful conversation around the responsible use of AI in filmmaking?
Yes, AI is one of the major disruptors, if one may use that, and the entertainment segment is also going to be hugely disrupted. There will be positives, there will obviously be negatives. I think it's important that we embrace any technology that comes in. At the same time, have our own guardrails that protect us from the problems that come with the technology. This year we started the AI Hackathon and the AI Festival. There are a large number of creators participated in that, and I think this goes to show that we are ready to embrace this technology and show our skills to the rest of the world.
So Creative Minds of Tomorrow has become one of India's most powerful platforms for discovering young talent. How do you see Creative Minds of Tomorrow, the CMOTs that have been shaping the future of Indian cinema and digital storytelling?
You know, the festivals like this actually allows us two opportunities. Opportunities to look back into the past, into our heritage. Today you have the megastar Rajinikanth sitting right here. You have V. Shantaramji being felicitated today. So that's looking into the past. But at the same time, we also need to look into the future. And I think that's where Creative Minds of Tomorrow helps us create future Rajinikanths. And I'm very happy that this year we had 125 entries. And the kind of films that these guys produced in 48 hours have been truly magical.
Amazing. Thank you, sir. And now I'd like to request Sri Sanjay Jaju to be on stage and request the Honorable Union Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. L. Muruganji, to join us on stage.
Good evening, sir. Gentlemen, on behalf of every filmmaker, technician and film lover here tonight, thank you. Thank you for giving Indian cinema the biggest, boldest stage in the world. Now in your presence, we would like to begin our first award. Our very first award of the evening. Every legend you see on screen tonight once took that terrifying, beautiful step. Tonight we celebrate that brave new voices who dared to dream.
Yes, the debut director for an Indian feature film presented by Indian Panorama. And to celebrate that spirit, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the award for... Are you ready for the very first award of the evening? Let's hear it! Woo! Okay. The Indian Panorama Best Debut Director Indian Feature Film goes to Karan Singh Tyagi for the film Kesari Chapter 2.
अंग्रेजों ने जलियांवाला बाग में पूरे 10 मिनट तक गोलियां चलाई और 12 घंटे तक जख्मियों को बाग में बंद रखा ताकि गिद्ध उन्हें खा सके। उन चीखों के बीच एक ललकार उठी।
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Karan Singh Tyagi, Best Film, Kesari Chapter 2.
Best debut film. Karan, congratulations.
Tiska, you know what happens when you step into IFFI? Cinema starts running through your veins. Every glance looks like a cinematographer at work. Every conversation sounds like a director discussing a story. And every poster feels like an invitation to a first day first show.
Well, things have changed. These days, some posters remind you to get home early. Switch on the TV and begin to binge watch. We have to accept that from feature films, now we move on to a format that has completely taken over our screens, our phones, our laptops, our late night binge cycle.
Oh yes, web series have changed the way India watches stories.
Tonight we have to honor the creators who've mastered this art of storytelling, rich characters, immersive worlds, and the power to keep us hooked.
So ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Best Web Series presented by Indian Panorama. And the winner for Indian Panorama Best Web Series is
Bandish
Bandit Season 2.
The director,
पंडित जी कहते हैं कलाकार का कर्तव्य उसके सुख और दुख के परे।
Director Amritpal Singh Pinta. Creators Leo Media Collective Private Limited. Producers Amazon Prime Video. Here to receive the award in person are Anand and Sahira Nair, Head of Original Scripted Series, Amazon Prime Video. Congratulations, Anand, Sahira. Thank you so much, Dr. Murugan, Sri Sanjay Jajuji, for presenting the first honors of the evening. We request you to kindly take your seats and we look forward to welcoming you back on stage shortly. Before we dive deeper into the awards, a quick but very important pause, because none of this magic would happen without the brilliant minds working behind the scenes 24/7 for an entire year.
A festival of this scale, 9 days, multiple venues, hundreds of screenings is possible only because of the tireless efforts of the teams who work behind the scenes.
That's right, Jay. The unsung heroes, the technical partners who ensure that every frame looks perfect, every sound is crisp, and every cinematic moment lands exactly the way it should.
And to felicitate these invaluable partners, we are joined by 6 distinguished leaders who play a vital role in shaping and supporting this festival. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Entertainment Society of Goa, Mrs. Delilah M. Lobo, Vice Chairman, and Mr. Ashwin Chandru, Chief Executive Officer. From Ministry of I&B, Mr. Prabhat, Additional Secretary, Sri Deepak Narayan, Additional Secretary and FA, Dr. Ajay Nagabhushan, MN, Joint Secretary, Films, and Sri Prakash Magdum, Managing Director, NFDC, to please come on stage.
Mrs. Delilah Lobo, could we have you on stage? And now, please welcome the teams who ensure every cinematic element of IFFI is delivered with precision excellence. Shri Ketan Mehta, Vice President, Cube Cinema, Shri Ujjwal Nigudkar, Chairman, SMPTE India, Shri Anirvan Ghosh, Managing Director, Pulse Electronics, Shri Love Malik, General Manager, PVR Inox.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause as they deserve this respect, this love from us.
Shri Ketan Mehta, Shri Ujjwal, Nirgudkar, Shri Anirvan Ghosh, Shri Love Malik.
Everyone, and ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause as they take their seat. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you.
And now we invite you to experience a journey through the rich cultural heritage of the Northeast.
The hills, the rivers, the rhythms, and the incredible spirit of Northeast India, all on one single stage. A showcase that truly captures the heart and the heritage of the Seven Sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the unstoppable, colorful, path-breaking, breathtaking Northeast performance.
भारत का उत्तर पूर्व, 7 बहन और 1 भाई का एक अपूर्व बंधन जो भारत की संस्कृति का एक प्रतीक बनकर पूर्वी द्वार में सदैव खड़ा है। इसी पूर्वोत्तर की धरती ने अपने सुरों के झंकार के मध्य कई महान संगीतकारों को जन्म दिया, जिन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा और संगीतमय कृतित्व के माध्यम से भारतीय सिनेमा को अपना अमूल्य अवदान से सुसज्जित किया, अपनी पहचान बनाई और ख्याति प्राप्त की। ऐसे ही महान संगीतकारों में से एक थे भारत रत्न और दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार से पुरस्कृत डॉक्टर भूपेन हजारिका, जिनके सुर और संगीत ने भारतीय सिनेमा में अपना बहुमूल्य योगदान दिया।
बाली सी छोरिया, गेहूं जैसी गोरिया, रात को लगे चांदनी ऐसी लगे जोरिया, गंगा झुके घर में लाऊं ऐसी भी जोरवा, ऐसी भी जोरवा, जोरवा।
सूरज की किरणों के आगमन के साथ ही चहकते चिड़ियों के साथ हर उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य झूमता हुआ जागता है। S.D. बर्मन, उत्तर पूर्व का एक ऐसा नाम जिन्होंने भारतीय सिने संगीत को लोक संगीत से जोड़कर उसे एक नया आयाम दिया। उनके द्वारा बनाए हुए सैकड़ों गीत आज भी लोगों के मन में घर बनाए हुए हैं। पहाड़ों, नदियों, झरनों की गोद में उत्तर पूर्व का संगीतमय जीवन बसता है। यहाँ का हर दिल धड़कता है। एस.डी. बर्मन के सुपुत्र राहुल देव बर्मन, जिन्हें आर.डी. बर्मन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, उन्होंने भारतीय सिने जगत में लोक संगीत और पाश्चात्य संगीत का एक अनूठा संगम शैली को स्थापित किया और अपना अमूल्य योगदान दिया। अपनी विशेष कला, संस्कृति और लोक संगीत के कारण भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य विश्व भर में एक आकर्षण का केंद्र बना हुआ है।
हळू हळू सामान द्या भाऊ.
आता पुढे काय करायचं? अहो ते राजूच्या चिठ्ठीत बघा ना, कुठे गेली चिठ्ठी?
नमस्कार. मला माहितीये त्या चिठ्ठीत काय लिहिलंय. तुम्ही या माझ्या बरोबर. व्हीलचेअर. हा तुमचा आणि हा तुमचा. आणि चिठ्ठीत शॉपिंग बद्दल तर लिहिलं असेलच. आता पेट पूजेबद्दल चिठ्ठीत लिहिलेलं नसेल असं होईल का? डबा आणलंय.
थँक्यू.
अहो चिठ्ठी मिळाली.
चिठ्ठीत तर हे सगळं लिहिलंच नव्हतं.
आम्ही आहोत ना तुमची चिठ्ठी.
फक्त वर्ल्ड क्लास एअरपोर्ट चालवत नाही, तुमच्या प्रवासात सहप्रवासी बनतो. अदानी, आम्ही करून दाखवतो.
जिस प्रकार भारत अनेकता में एकता का प्रतीक के रूप में जाना जाता है, उसी प्रकार भारत का उत्तर पूर्व भी अपनी सांस्कृतिक विविधता में एकता और भाईचारे के लिए सदियों से एक सुंदर उदाहरण बना हुआ है। जुबिन के बाद आज हिंदी सिनेमा जगत में उत्तर पूर्व के एक और होनहार कलाकार पापौन अपने योगदान को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं और उनके गीत भारतीय संगीत को एक नई ऊंचाई की तरफ ले जा रहे हैं।
Beautiful, guys. We can do better than this, yeah. Come on. Let's give a huge round of applause for this performance. Lovely.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the vibrant northeast of India, the Seven Sisters. Did you know that this year marks the birth centenary of Bhupen Hazarika, a singer, composer, filmmaker, poet, whose songs spoke of humanity, unity, and the earth itself. And this performance was a tribute in the memory of Bhupenda. Ladies and gentlemen, one more warm and heartfelt round of applause for the outstanding artists of the northeast of India. I don't think they get enough love.
And Tiska, now prepare yourself, because what comes next brings the full intensity of Indian intelligence and action to this stage.
Indeed, a film that blends strategy, power, high-octane action with a world of intrigue, storytelling and performances that command attention.
And now presenting an exclusive launch of fresh song from the movie Dhurandhar by Jio Studios.
Wow!
तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं तेरी, तू अगर मेरी सारी राहें तेरी, तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा। तू अगर मेरी ये उजाले तेरे, तू अगर मेरी दिल हवाले तेरे, तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा। बेताब सा मोहब्बत का तू कलाब है, मेरा जहां तेरी बाहों में ख्वाब ख्वाब है। गहरा हुआ रंग आशिकी, गहरा
Wasn't that a compelling glimpse into a world that promises power and skill? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for
The Dhurandhar
Dhurandhar.
himself, Ranveer Singh and Iffy Goa.
Get ready?
I'm a king, but I fought for my state. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said come back when another man swings, so I name my mama proud, nigga, you can't blame. Father, forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history, you know what I did then. And what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
परदेसी हूँ तेन मिटदा रोना पै जाऊगा नाल रहे थे जोगी ते तेन जोगन होना पै जाऊगा
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh. Welcome to Iffy. First of all, from power-packed, strong trailer to this soulful song. How does it feel?
ये गाना अरिजीत सिंह जी ने गाया. Any Arijit fans in the house?
Yeah!
अगर मैं गा सकता तो मैं गा भी लेता. अब आए हैं, स्टेज है, माइक है, कुछ तो करना चाहिए जय भाई.
बिल्कुल.
तू अगर मेरी. नवाज भाई आप ताली नहीं बजा रहे. नवाज भाई आपको मेरी गायकी अच्छी नहीं लगी. 2 thumbs up. You are partial to me because I know you love me extra. आपको पता है नवाज जी ने मुझे ट्रेन किया था एज एन एक्टर.
Really?
Back in the day, but a story for another day. I won't waste the time of the prestigious gathering here. Very, very thrilled, ma'am, sir, and everybody here.
I have
that...
a question for you,
हाँ,
Ranveer.
मैं खत्म कर लूं मैम. मैं अब भी शुरू किया ना. खैर मैं इतना ही बोलना चाह रहा था जय भाई कि I am thrilled, really thrilled with the response to the teaser and then the trailer. Of course, this is another flavor. ये अलग रस है. But a really lovely, soulful song from the depths of Arijit Singh's heart. A great artist, and we're very honored to have him on the album. I'm very happy to be here and very happy that we're able to launch this on the Iffy stage. So thank you for having me.
Lovely.
Put your hands together a little bit louder for Ranveer Singh, please. Are you all waiting for Dhurandhar? Yes? The response is outstanding. It's lit up. So what is the reason for that, you think?
I think, ma'am, I've been working 15 years. I think this is truly a rare instance where there's been such an overwhelming response to the promotional material. I think it's got to do with the fact that the material kind of breaks the pattern. It's unique in its structure, doesn't follow the usual pattern of a teaser or a trailer. So it's a bit disruptive, clutter-breaking, and I guess that's what's got the attention of everyone. I'm very grateful.
Absolutely, but you always catch attention, even if your hair is competing with that of the heroines, though. I was wondering whose hair to look at, who had a bigger hair budget.
50% मेरा था और 50% extension था.
Thank you so much, Ranveer, for being here.
So Dhurandhar is one of the biggest release which is going to be happening in India.
Ji.
How does it feel to present it in Iffy 2025?
I am thrilled to be here. This is my second time here. I had come here and performed once on this very stage. Sawan Saab, if you remember, we had a good time even back then. I think Hema ji was in the crowd at that time. It was a great honor for me to be performing in front of my screen idols such as Hema ji. Great honor for me to be in the presence of this august company, Nawaz ji, Rakesh sir. Is that Shekhar Kapoor himself? Hello sir. Hello my dear man, it's good to see you. Jaju Saab, Rishabh. Everybody, a huge thundering round of applause for Rishabh's performance in Kantara 2.
Absolutely. Big fan, sir.
I saw that in the theaters, Rishabh. It was an outstanding performance, especially when the female ghost gets inside your body. That performance, that one shot. Did you see Kantara, sir? You saw it? What shot that he gave? That one. Anybody here want to see me in Kantara 3? Tell this guy. Tell him. Tell him. Rishabh, that was outstanding. Very, very proud of everything that you're doing for Indian cinema. And I can't wait for your collaboration with Prasant Verma. We're all very, very excited for that. And last but certainly not the least, just an absolute honor to be in the presence of the great man himself, the biggest superstar of all time. It's an honor to simply be in your presence, sir. And it's a thrill to be here. Look at this crowd. Look at this grand and glorious occasion. I'm really happy to be here. Very, very excited to be presenting. I wish we could have shown the trailer and the teaser over here, but it's a bit bloody, it's a bit violent, so we showed you the love song instead. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you will all watch the movie on December 5th. The thing is, our filmmaker, Ditya Dhar, he made Uri, the Surgical Strike. I don't know, has anybody seen Uri, the Surgical Strike? Yes. Did you like it? Okay, the same director, this is his second movie, and his intention was to take an Indian movie to the world. You know, like he said at our trailer launch, China had its moment with Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Korea had its moment with Parasite. And we hope that this will be counted as one of the great installments within this genre. We really think complex story, but with a whole lot of visual spectacle. We realize post-COVID story, but with a whole lot of visual spectacle. We realize post-COVID that if you want to drive people to the theaters, you have to promise them a big visual spectacle. So that's been the attempt. It's a large canvas. It's a very intriguing tale. And I'm very, very proud to be presenting it to the world on December 5th.
December 5th is the release date. So, how many of you are going to watch Dhurandhar? December 5th!
Woo!
All right.
Thank you so much, Ranveer. Thank you for sharing your insights and for bringing Dhurandhar to IFFI 2025. Once again,
Thank you,
for Ranveer Singh.
Let's hear it for Ranveer Singh, guys. Don't that allow you?
I'm a king, but I fuck with my stain. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swing, so I made my mama proud and that made your heads ring. Father, forgive me, I can forgive them. You know my history, you know what I did then. Know what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
It is said that cinema can be most powerful, the most powerful weapon for peace and truth. Every year, the International Council for Film, Television and Audio-Visual Communication, the ICFT, in collaboration with UNESCO.
ભારતની પ્રગતિની સાચી શક્તિ તેના શ્રમિકો જેઓની મહેનતને હવે મળી રહી છે ઓળખ જેના તેઓ હંમેશાથી હતા હકદાર કારણ કે મોદી સરકારની ગેરંટી છે દરેક શ્રમિકનું સન્માન
શ્રમેવ જયતે આ દેશ का मंत्र बन रहा
બધા જ કામદારોને સમયસર ન્યૂનતમ વેતન ને યુવાનોને નિયુક્તિ પત્ર એટલે કે નોકરીનો વિશ્વાસ મહિલાઓને સમાન તક અને સમાન વેતન કારણ કે કામનું મૂલ્ય આવડતથી નક્કી થાય છે ફિક્સ ટર્મ એમ્પ્લોઈઝ માટે માત્ર 1 વર્ષ પછી ગ્રેચ્યુટી એટલે મહેનતનું હક વિના રાહ જુએ 40 વર્ષથી વધુ ઉંમરના શ્રમિકોને દર વર્ષે મફત હેલ્થ ચેકઅપ 40 કરોડ શ્રમિકો માટે સામાજિક સુરક્ષાની ગેરંટી હવે દરેક પરિવાર નિશ્ચિંત આ છે લેબર રિફોર્મ્સ તો આવો મળીને બનાવીએ શ્રમિક સન્માનથી આત્મનિર્ભર ભારત
ICFT, UNESCO.
Rapidly, so we are going to vaccinate fast.
Let's go. Manoj Kadam.
For peace, for truth, for cinema that heals, A big round of applause for our ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal winner.
Manoj Kadam for Eric Swenson for the film Safe House.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, there are moments in an evening that rise above the celebration. Moments that become history.
A moment like this is about to happen right now. A moment that brings together legends, visionaries, and a legacy that has shaped generations.
To join us for this special honor, we have the privilege of welcoming the leaders who guide and support India's cinematic journey. Beginning with the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawantji, the man under whose leadership this beautiful state becomes the cultural home for world cinema every single year.
We are also honored to invite the Honorable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. L. Muruganji.
And the Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Sanjay Jajuji.
And joining them, an artist whose passion, craft and energy have inspired a new generation of Indian cinema, Dhurandhar, Mr. Ranveer Singh. Come on guys, let's give a huge round of applause.
Tonight is a milestone because 50 years ago something remarkable began. A small organization took its first baby steps, one that would go on to support, protect and champion India's boldest storytellers. NFDC began its journey 50 years ago. And destiny, it seems, had another story unfolding at the exact same time, because 50 years ago, in the same year, a young man stepped in front of the camera for the very first time.
He is the only hero in the world cinema who has been a mainstream hero for 50 years of his career. At the age of 75.
He is the first actor in the world to act in 5 formats of filmmaking, be it black and white or color, 3D animation or the photorealistic motion capture film Kochadian. He is the only hero to have acted in 2 women director films, his own daughter Aishwarya, Lal Salam, and Saundarya, which is Kochadian.
He is the only hero to have acted with 2 female directors, his own daughter Aishwarya and Saundarya.
No actor in the world has acted as a mainstream hero till the age of 75. He is just turning 75, and in all of his 50 years of cinema, the only hero to have first acted as a robo in Indian cinema.
A man whose journey would redefine heroism, whose presence would rewrite style, and his humility would touch hearts across the world.
Tonight, on NFDC's Golden Jubilee, we celebrate another golden journey, a journey that has inspired India for half a century.
I would request the dignitaries to come near the podium and please turn your attention to the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is his story. more than 170 films, a billion hearts that beats faster every time he appears on screen. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome the one and only Talaiwa Shri Rajnikant! Sir, on behalf of every single person on this stadium and millions watching at home, thank you. Thank you for your films, thank you for your magic, and thank you for the sheer miracle of Rajnikant.
Ranveer, tonight you stand next to a phenomena who has defined Indian cinema for 50 years. We'd love you to share a few words.
I am too small to be speaking words about this level of greatness. All I can say is I am looking forward to Jailer 2. Hukum.
Yeah.
One more time. Hukum. Sir.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Honorable Minister Murugan sir, Jha sir, Hi Randy, esteemed guests, dignitaries, all award winners, ladies and gentlemen, respected media, good evening to everybody. I stand here with, hello? No, that's okay. I stand here with a lot of humility and gratitude. My heartfelt thanks to central government for honoring me of 50 years of acting in cinema. And Goa Ministry. I mean, I'm really congratulating them the way you are hosting it, sir. 50 years acting in the cinema. When I look back, it seems like 10 or 15 years. Time flew like just like that. That is because I love cinema and acting. So even 100 Janams, if there is there, I would like to born as an actor, as a Rajnikant. Thank you very much for love and affection, and this honor to cinema industry, producers, directors, technicians, distributors, exhibitors, everybody, and mainly in Abalakum Devagalana, Tamil Makkal. Thank you very much.
We are honored to request our dignitaries on stage to felicitate Shri Rajnikantji with shawl and memento.
Tiger ka hukum.
And one more time, a huge round of applause for the eternal superstar, Shri Rajnikant. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much, Ranveer Singh, for joining us in honoring this unforgettable milestone, and request our dignitaries to stay on stage. Thank you so much, Ranveer. Thank you. With the leaders who guided this festival now with us, it's our privilege to welcome three distinguished stalwarts of Indian cinema to stage. The man whose craft evokes every emotion with authenticity, Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
The man who created one of the biggest hits of Indian cinema, Mr. Ramesh Sippy.
Come on guys, let's hear it for him.
The director of Sholay. The president of IMPA and Federation of Film Industries, who has been the voice of producers across the country, Mr. Abhay Sinha.
And the visionary, Prakash Ji.
Special mention to commemorate 125th birth anniversary of the pioneering filmmaker Shri V. Shantaram. We are pleased to invite Kiran Shantaram ji to come on stage for a felicitation.
Honorable Ministers, Honorable Secretary, may we request you to kindly join us for a very special felicitation.
Could we have the felicitations, the shawls, the mementos?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ramesh Sippy. Let's hear it for Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
President of IMPA, Mr. Abhay Singh Ji. Please put your hands together for all the dignitaries on stage.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. We thank the Chief Minister, our Secretary, request them to please take your seats, and the Honorable Minister, Dr. L. Murugan Ji, to share his thoughts from the podium.
IFFI, India International Film Festival of India, 56th edition. Today we are in the closing ceremony. In this program, Honorable Chief Minister, Goa, Sri Dr. Pramod Sawant Ji, Sri Rajinikanth Ji, Secretary Sri Sanjay Jaju, Rishabh Shetty Ji, the Festival Director the man of the festival, Sri Shekhar Kapoor ji. Juries, Sri Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra ji, Sri Raja Hundale ji, and dignitaries. Good evening to you, everyone. This IFFI 56th edition, we inaugurated on the 20th of this month, the same Goa. Every year, traditionally, we used to have the inauguration program this hall. But this year, a new initiative, the IFFI started by a procession by the artists and tabalos from the various states, cultural and cinema houses, they exhibits, and Goa government, Goa culture, they exhibited. So every year IFFI is getting new flavors. It's enhancing the festival we are witnessing. I'm also participating this year. This is the 5th festival for me. So last to last.
आका फिर आ गया। प्लीज एक तो विश बता दो, घर का, ऑफिस का, स्कूल का, जो सामान बोलोगे ना झट करूंगा, फट आ जाएगा। तू ना झट कर और फट से वापस चला जा। लैम्प से निकाल लिया पर विश नहीं मांग रहे,
क्योंकि हमारा ये जीनी है ना।
मिस्टर DIY, इतनी वैरायटी, इतने अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस,
जादू है ना सचमुच।
इसीलिए मिलेगा क्या मत पूछ, मिस्टर DIY है सब कुछ।
That our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, this year beginning in May, we had a big first time summit, Waves 2025, World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit. Our Honorable Prime Minister himself came to Mumbai and he inaugurated almost 77 people, 77 nations heads participated in that. All cinema industry, broadcasting industry, various media and entertainment sector people are participated in that. So this IFFI, we are going to celebrate 100 years those who are all contributed in the cinema industry, Sri Guru Dutt ji, Sri Ritvik Kadvik ji, Sri Madi Bhanumati Amma, Raj Khosle ji, Salil Chaudhary ji, and Mr. Vaihun ji, as well as Bhupendra Hasarika ji. There's no doubt our 50 years we celebrated just now, and we honored Sri Rajinikanth ji here in this stage. And also for the contribution of Sandaram ji, Sandaram ji 125th year, he felicitated Sandaram's son here in the same. Also Sri Ramesh Sippy ji came here and we honored him. Friends, the Waves Bazaar, the initiative by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, our Minister Sri Ashwini Vaishnavi's guidance. The Waves Bazaar this year, I can proudly say that more than 1,000 crore business, the new film producers, they got business from this Waves Bazaar. So last year it's only 400 crore. This year 1,050 crore business we got for the young minds. So this year we give an opportunity for the young creative minds, 125 young creative minds. We had an opportunity for them. And what is our Prime Minister vision? Our Prime Minister always thinks about Nari Shakti, the women's empowerment. For that, first time in this IFFI, 50 women directors movies are screened in this entire festival. So I proudly can tell this stage, this platform, to bridge between the globe to Indian. We have the Indian, so we have the history of stories telling. We want our stories to connect to the technology. For that, Indian Institute of Creative Technology recently is set up by the government at the Mumbai. So in this, in Indian cinema, earlier people tells that it's a North Indian cinema, it is in South Indian cinema, it is in West Indian cinema, it is in East Indian. No, now all the cinemas are pan-India cinemas, all the cinemas are pan-world cinemas. This OTT or web, we are seeing that. So in these words, I thank to everyone, the organizers of NFDC, our Ajay Nagapusnam, Secretary Sanjay Jaju, and the entire team to last 10-15 days there, and Goa government, our Chief Minister, his full team, Goa society, and they are all entire days they spent here. They made a successful. I once again congratulate Chief Minister of Goa to facilitate and to promote cinema in this place. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Dr. Muruganji. Your vision truly illuminates the path ahead for Indian cinema.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now take you from the corridors of power into a world where mythology, music and movement have echoed for centuries.
Tonight, one of Karnataka's most cherished traditions, the 500 years old art form, Yakshagana, takes center stage at IFFI.
And bringing us the timeless magic of this art, a legend who has kept this tradition alive for decades. Please welcome the Queen of Yakshagana, Srimati Vidya Kolluri.
Shri Guru Ganadhipataye Namaha. मनधर मेरे ये विभव दोळू वरुण वायु कुबेर निर्दी ಮೊದಲಾದವರ ನೆರವಿಯೋಡು ಒರೆದ ಮನದಿರವ ಈ ತೆರದಿ ರಂಭಾದಿ ನಾರಿಯರು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿ ನರ್ತಿಸರು ಆಡಿದರ ಸರೆಯರು ಮುದದಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿಯರು ಮೊಡಿಯ ಬೀರುತ್ತ ಆಡಿದರ ಸರೆಯರು ಮುದದಿ ಆಡಿದರ ಮಮದ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ದಲಿ ಷೋಡಶಿಯರು ಬಲ್ಕಾಡುತ್ತ ಪಾಡುತ್ತ ದಿಂತನ ದಿಂತನಯ ದಿಂತನ ದಿನ್ನತೈ ತೊಂದನ ತೊಂದನಯ ತೊಂದನ ದಿನ್ನತೈ ದಿಂತನ ದಿನ್ನತೈ ತೊಂದನ ದಿನ್ನತ ದಿಂತನ ದಿನ್ನತೈ ತೊಂದನ ದಿನ್ನತ ಅದೈ ದಿನತೈ ಅದೈ ದಿನತೈ ಅದೈ ದಿನತೈ ಐ ದಿನದ ದಿನತೈ ದಿನದ ದಿನತೈ ದಿನದ ದಿನತೈ ತತ್ತಂ
ನಿತ್ಯದಂತೆ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ ದುಷ್ಟರ ದಾಳಿ ಸಹಜ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ
ಸುರನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಯ ಗೆ ತಂದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಥಟ್ಟನೆ ದೊರೆಯುವೆವು
ದಾಳಿ ಅಡಿಗಡಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಆದರೆ ನೀನು ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡ ಅರಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೀಠವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಿರಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು ಇಂದಿನ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಸರ್ಜಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ
What an extraordinary presentation of mythology and tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the beautiful team.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, a filmmaker who brought the cultural spirit of coastal Karnataka to the global stage and to the world of Kantara. Please welcome Mr. Rishabh Shetty. Woo!
Come on, guys, let's get it for the man, Rishabh Shetty.
Rishabhji, we witnessed Yakshagana live, and in Kantara we saw Bhoot Kola, evoking the same depth of devotion and intensity. Did you always feel that this tradition would eventually find its way into storytelling, or did this connection reveal itself to you during the path of making the film?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Minister, CM sir, and the whole Indian film industry. And Talevare, congratulations. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕಲಾವಿದರುಗಳು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. 50 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So डेफिनेटली मैं हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ, उतना अच्छा इंग्लिश तो आता नहीं मुझे.
हिंदी बहुत बढ़िया चलेगा यहाँ प्लीज.
मेरा जो एक्टिंग का करियर व्हेन आई वाज इन 6th स्टैंडर्ड यही यक्षगान से शुरू हुआ था. तो हम लोग को स्पेशली करावली या साउथ केनरा का जो लोग है, हमको रामायण महाभारत ये सब पता है ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यक्षगाना. ये यक्षगाना में वही हमारा देश का, भारत का पुराण कथा, पुण्य कथा और मैथोलॉजी, सारे कहानियां इस यक्षगाना में प्रसंग के रूप से बहुत साल से, लाइक फ्रॉम 500 years, अभी भी पूरे रात परफॉर्म करते हैं जो आर्टिस्ट. सो आर्ट फॉर्म में इन लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत बहुत बड़ा है एंड दे आर द ट्रू आर्टिस्ट. एंड इसलिए मैं भी फिल्म मेकर बनने के बाद मेरा फिल्म में ऐसा रूटेड कहानी लेके आने का एक थॉट मिला ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यक्षगाना एंड आर साउथ केनरा का जो कल्चर्स है, ट्रेडिशंस है, भारत का एक रूटेड कहानी को ग्लोबल ऑडियंस को बोलना है करके मैं एक छोटा सा एफर्ट डाला था. दैट्स इट.
And what a fabulous effort was Kantara. Really shook us all up. Heartiest congratulations. And now to mark this moment in a way that honors both tradition and Rishabh, your contribution, may we request Vidya Kolyur ji to present a symbolic gesture of blessing to Rishabh ji.
Sir, namaskara. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತಾವು ಕಾಂತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತಾರಾಧನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ದೈವಾರಾಧನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರಾವಳಿಯ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪಸರಿಸಿದವರು. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಕಲೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ
नाही, इंजुरी नाही. ही जोडी योग्य नाहीये. ही झाली ना परफेक्ट जोडी. जशी बिर्ला व्हाईट पुट्टी आणि फक्त बिर्ला व्हाईट प्रायमरची जोडी. पुट्टी आणि प्रायमर व्हाईटेस्ट तर भिंती ब्राइटेस्ट.
So through Kantara, he is Karnataka's king. I would like to present this to Rishabh ji. ವಲ್ಲಿನೆಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜ ಯಾರೆಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಷಬ್ ಜಿ ಅವರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
A heartful bow of gratitude to Vidya ma'am and Rishabh ji for reminding us the power, depth and legacy of our cultural heritage. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Rishabh ji.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya ji. And tonight, before we celebrate the living legends any further, we pause. We remember and we pay our deepest respect to the legends who left us this year. Tonight, with love and gratitude, we pay homage to them. Can we have the AV, please?
May their stories live on through their films, their art, and the memories that they have left behind.
We now bring you a moment of cinematic anticipation. A film that dares to ask questions like no one else will. Aakhri Sawal.
Please welcome to the stage Mr. Nikhil Nanda, producer of Nikhil Nanda Motion Pictures, National Award-winning director Mr. Abhijit Warang, the cast of the film Amit Saad, Namashi Chakrabarti, Tridha Chaudhary, and also Dr. Deepak Singh.
Now, as we have the team of Aakhri Sawal, it's time for an exclusive first look.
भारतवर्ष शास्त्र पूजन करने वाला शांति प्रिय देश है, जो समय आने पर राष्ट्र रक्षा के लिए शस्त्र भी उठा सकता है।
नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमे त्वया
ये लोग सैनिकों की तरह भाग रहे हैं, जैसे तीर निशाने की ओर जाता है, लेकिन इन्हें कमांड कौन देता है?
बापू, ये किसी के कमांड पे नहीं चलता और ना ये तीर इस कमांड के मोहताज है। ये स्वयंसेवक, ये मन की आवाज पे चलते हैं।
आप एकता की बातें करते हैं, पर जातिवाद का क्या? ये जातिवाद एक दिन भारत को बांट कर रख देगा, देखना।
अगर संघ में दलित और ब्राह्मण एक साथ रह सकते हैं, खा पी सकते हैं, काम कर सकते हैं, तो संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष में क्यों नहीं कर सकते? और ये बंटवारे की बातें किताबों तक ही सीमित रहे तो ही बेहतर होगा।
आप तो स्वयं कांग्रेसी रहे हैं, संघ की स्थापना कांग्रेस के साथ मिलकर क्यों नहीं? अगर ऐसा किया होता तो थोड़ा पुण्य आपके साथ मैं भी मिल जाता।
प्रयास किया था डॉक्टर पांसपे के साथ, परंतु सफल नहीं हो पाया।
Don't stop.
That was just a glimpse and a promise of what's to come.
So, Namashi and Amit Saad, my question to you is that what was your reaction when you heard the script?
Well, first of all, good evening, Goa. It's a very special year for me because my film, The Bengal Files, was screened yesterday here at the festival. So I hope you all liked it. Also, being in the same stage where Mr. Rajnikant stood, I already feel like a superstar, sir. That's your aura. It's such an honor. And my all-time favorite actor, Ranveer Singh. All-time. Rishabh, sir, love you. Coming back to the film, I became a fanboy, I'm sorry. This is, in my opinion, one of the most hard-hitting scripts I've come across. I'm only 3 films old, but I can still tell you that this film is going to start many conversations, and I'm so proud to have a producer and a director and such wonderful co-stars with me for this film.
Amit,
Hi.
you want to add something?
First of all, good evening, and thank you, IFFI, for hosting us and showing our teaser and allowing us to announce this beautiful film, this powerful story. And I mean, this is just the glimpse, I'm sure you can imagine. And I'm just going to add to what he said. As actors, as creators, we do great films, we do films, we work, and sometimes you feel privileged and blessed that you become a part of a film which is bigger than you. I definitely feel that this is that film, this is that conversation, this is that story, and I'm very grateful to our producer, Mr. Nikhil Nanda, who I also have the privilege to call Bhaiya. And I've known him for many years, and whenever I speak to him, his passion for country is something so inspiring. And here we are today to just announce and bring this to your attention, and I'm sure we will present this beautiful film to all of you, to the whole country, to the whole world very soon. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Abhijit ji, I have a question for you, and Nikhil, please jump in as well. My question was, why do you think this film matters, Aakhri Sawal? Why do you think it is such an important film to bring to the audiences?
नमस्ते। जैसे टेस्का जी ने कहा था, मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा बातचीत हिंदी में करूंगा। हिंदी इज वेलकम, ऑल्दो दिस इज द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल। 100 साल 100 सवाल, उन सब सवालों का जवाब इस फिल्म के द्वारा। ये कहानी भारत के लिए है और एक कहानी बनती है आपके सब सवालों का, जो पिछले 100 वर्षों में कई स्टेजेस पर, कई प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर लोगों के सामने आए हैं। इस फिल्म के द्वारा हम उन सब का जवाब देना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए ये आखिरी सवाल है।
Wow. And my next question is to you, Nikhil ji. I wanted to know that what is the inspiration to make this film?
One word, Bharat.
All right.
And Abhijit ji, your thoughts on Aakhri Sawal? Why is it such an important, इतनी अहम फिल्म क्यों है ये लोगों के सामने लाने के लिए?
ये कुछ सवाल है जो पूछे जाते हैं, लेकिन इसके जवाब कोई ढूंढता नहीं है तरीके से। ऐसा हमने देखा है, तो हम भी एक बात करना चाहते हैं इस फिल्म के द्वारा, लोगों के सामने सच लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अब लोगों को डिसाइड करना है क्या सही है क्या गलत है। यही एक सवाल है जो आखिरी सवाल है।
Okay, and Smita, youngsters को ये क्या मैसेज देगी फिल्म?
A very good evening to everyone present here. I feel India is one of the youngest nations that we have. I represent the youth, and I'm sure all of us represent the youth here. So my encouragement to each and every one of us would be, let's keep contributing to the creator economy, to the youth, and most important to the orange economy, because I feel a lot rests on us, on the youth. Let's talk about the untold stories, and I'm sure through Aakhri Sawal, we'll be able to explore the untold story So let's bring the untold truth, the untold story on the big screen. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, team of Aakhri Sawal. That was a very lovely teaser and we're looking forward to the film. All the very best. Big round of applause.
हाँ बोल बेटा करण।
क्या? जिंदगी की रोज की दौड़ में हम अक्सर चीजें भूल जाते हैं।
अंकल।
पर अच्छा लगता है जब कोई आपका ख्याल रखता है, जैसे कि आरबीआई ख्याल रखता है आपके अनक्लेम डिपॉजिट्स का।
अनक्लेम डिपॉजिट मतलब?
वो बैंक खाते जिसमें 10 साल या उससे अधिक से कोई लेन देन न हुआ हो, ऐसे खाते आरबीआई के डीईए फंड में चले जाते हैं।
अपने बैंक के किसी भी शाखा में जाकर अपना केवाईसी अपडेट कराइए
और अपना अनक्लेम डिपॉजिट वापस पाएं।
आरबीआई कहता है जानकार बनिए, सतर्क रहिए।
International jury of masters. Tonight we crown the very best of world cinema at the 56th International Film Festival of India. The next part of the evening is all about celebrating pure cinematic brilliance. Ladies and gentlemen, the IFFI Awards begin now. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the jury chairperson, Shri Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra ji on stage. Before we proceed, it's our honor to acknowledge the exceptional individuals who carried the responsibility of choosing the winners this year.
As jury chairperson, what is your overall take on the international competition section of this year? How did you find the selection in terms of diversity, quality and cinematic vision?
Namaskaram, and first of all, my heartiest congratulations to the IMB Ministry, the Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Murugan sir, Secretary sir, Mr. Jaju, Chief Minister sir. I've been coming to IFFI for a while, and I've been going to various film festivals across the globe. I must say, and I must admit, this year was truly a humbling experience for me.
Wow. The professionalism of the ministry and its team, the bang on minute to minute schedule being followed, it was awesome, absolutely. And the hospitality is, you truly gave meaning when we say Atithi Devo Bhava. That I got to understand it finally. With this, I will not take more time. I think we're all waiting for the wonderful films and the winners for tonight. Sure. Let's start.
Thank you, Mr. Mehra. Your wisdom, your passion, your impossible choices have made this competition unforgettable. Please stay right here on stage with us. The moment everyone has been waiting for has finally arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to the heartbeat of the 56th IFFI, our festival director, Mr. Shekhar Kapoor. I'd like to have you on stage. The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawantji, the Honorable Minister of State, Information and Broadcasting, Dr. L. Muruganji, and Secretary, Minister of Information, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Sri Sanjay Jajuji.
A gathering of commitment, passion, and a shared love for cinema. And now, with all these esteemed guests together, we begin the presentation of the Golden and Silver Peacock Awards. We begin with the Silver Peacock for Best Debut Feature Film of a Director.
An award that celebrates courage, fresh vision, and the remarkable journey of creating a first feature film. Please remember, this is for the first feature film.
And the Silver Peacock for Best Debut Feature Film of a Director is shared by two filmmakers.
Hesam Farhamand for the film My Daughter's Hair and Tony Spiel for the film Frank. My Daughter's Hair and Frank. Here to receive the award is director Hesam Farhamand, and on behalf of Tony Spiel would be Ivo Felt. India, show some love. Wow! Silver Peacock, first film. I would request the Honourable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. Muruganji, to do the honours. And both the directors are here. For the film Frank, Tony Spiel, first time director, award being accepted by Ivo Felt. My Daughter's Hair and Frank, two Silver Peacocks for the best debut feature film of a director. Congratulations. First feature films are never easy to make. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the award that every actor strives for. The recognition, the craft, the commitment, the excellence. This is the award for Best Director Male. And this year the jury has made a remarkable range of performances, has had a remarkable range of performances to choose from. The Silver Peacock for Best Actor Male goes to Ubemar Riospos for his performance in the film A Poet. Ubemar Rios. And to receive the award on his behalf is the film's director, Simon Meso Sota. Director Simon Meso Soto.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. The Silver Peacock Best Actor Female goes to Yara Sofia Ostan for her performance in the film Little Trouble Girls. And here to receive the award on her behalf is the film's producer, Miha Chernek, the producer of the film. Little Trouble Girls, Yara Sofia Ostan. Congratulations. And now there's a Silver Peacock Special Jury Award. The Silver Peacock Special Jury Award goes to the film My Father's Shadow, directed by Akinola Davies Jr. Akinola Davies Jr. My Father's Shadow.
My father's shadow in the house.
Dann ist noch.
Akinola Davies Jr. The film My Father's Shadow. Congratulations.
Many congratulations.
And the Silver Peacock for Best Director goes to Santosh Davakar for his film Gondhal.
गोंधळात खंडेराया येतो आणि नवरा नवरीच्या आयुष्यातली समधी विघ्न सोबत घेऊन जातो.
And now we come to the final and the most prestigious award of the evening.
The award that honors the film which stood above all others this year, a work of cinematic excellence that represents the very best of what IFFI stands for.
One film that rose above 15 masterpieces, the highest honor of the 56th International Film Festival of India.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Golden Peacock, the very best film of IFFI.
The Golden Peacock for Best Film goes to
King of Youth, directed by Ash Mayfair.
Em làm vợ anh nha. Em làm vợ anh nha. Em đâu?
Produced by Tran Nok. I hope I got the pronunciation right. Ash Mayfair and Fran Borgia. Here to receive the award is director Ash Mayfair and actor Chan Kwan. The film Skin of Youth. Big round of applause for the Golden Peacock, the Apex Award of IFFI. Honorable Minister Ji, Pramod Sawant Ji, we would request you if you would remain with us for a few brief moments to interact with us. A warm round of applause for our dignitaries as they take their seats. Pramod Ji, I have some questions for you, sir. Directly.
The closing ceremony of the 56th International Film Festival of India. Along with me in the audience, Dr. L. Murugan Ji, Union MOS Information and Broadcasting Ji, the superstar Rajinikanth Ji, the Rishabh Shetty Ji, all other dignitaries among the audience. आज के इस कार्यक्रम में मुझे आने में थोड़ा देर हुआ. आज ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी गोवा में आए थे. 77 फीट ऑफ द प्रभु रामचंद्र की मूर्ति उन्होंने आज इनॉग्रेट की. डायरेक्टली अयोध्या टू गोवा. मैंने जब उनको कहा कि IFFI की क्लोजिंग आज गोवा में हो रही है, तो उन्होंने खास करके सभी अवार्ड विनर को उनकी तरफ से कांग्रेचुलेशन देने की बात कही है. Congratulations behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister also. One who believes in the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam always tells about the creativity, always tells about the innovation and technology, and that always tells about the storytelling, and which we always know about the films. And tonight, and we are all here to celebrate the cinema, to celebrate the stories that move the world. It gives me the immense pleasure and profound joy to join you today at the closing ceremony of the 56th International Film Festival of India. This evening is not merely the conclusion of the festival. It is a culmination of a remarkable gathering of creative minds, artistic brilliance and global collaborations. Over the past several days, and we have witnessed the extraordinary confluencing of ideas, the cultures and perspectives. Each screening, each interaction, each applause, and from this audience added the new layer to the unforgettable experience of IFFI 2025 has begun. Before I proceed, I must acknowledge the profound loss that is a deeply touch to the entire film fraternity. We mourn the passing of the legendary Sri Dharmendra Ji, a true icon whose contribution have shaped the very foundation of Indian cinema. His extraordinary journey gave us some of the most memorable performance over the witness on the Indian screen. From the emotional depth brought to the classical like Bandhini, Anupama, Satyakama, to the effortless, the charm and timeless humor of Chupke Chupke. Every role reflects his sincerity and unparalleled artistry. And of course, his portrayal of the Viru in Sholay remains ethics forever in collective memory of our nation. As we remember him this evening, and we honor an exceptional actor and most importantly, the beloved human being whose legacy will continue to inspire the world of cinema of years to come. At the very outset, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the award winners being honored this evening, and especially for the Rajinikanth Ji for his Lifetime Achievement Award in this International Film Festival. Each accolade present tonight is not just a recognition of a single performance or a single creation. It is a tribute to the year of dedication, imagination, resilience and passions. Your work has pushed the boundaries, challenged the conventions and brought to the life stories that speaks to the human spirit in profound ways. I also take this moment to express my deep appreciation for our esteemed jury members. This responsibility of judging the diverse film from across the nation, culture and genres is both immense and delicate. That discrimination judging with artistic insights and commitment to the fairness have ensured that the award present tonight is truly reflects the excellence in its pursued form. Together, the award winner and the jury symbolize the spirit of excellence that IFFI celebrates, and that empower creativity, honor craftsmanship and inspire generations to come.
भारत की तरक्की की असली ताकत उसके श्रमिक, जिनकी मेहनत को मिल रही है पहचान, जिसके वो हमेशा से थे हकदार, क्योंकि मोदी सरकार की गारंटी है हर श्रमिक का सम्मान।
श्रमेव जयते आज देश का मंत्र बन रहा है।
सभी कामगारों को समय से न्यूनतम वेतन और युवाओं को नियुक्ति पत्र यानी नौकरी का भरोसा। महिलाओं को समान अवसर और समान वेतन, क्योंकि काम का मोल काबिलियत से होता है। फिक्स टर्म एम्प्लॉइज को सिर्फ 1 साल पर ग्रेच्युटी यानी मेहनत का हक बिना इंतजार। 40 वर्ष से अधिक की आयु के श्रमिकों को सालाना मुफ्त हेल्थ चेकअप और 40 करोड़ श्रमिकों को सामाजिक सुरक्षा की गारंटी। अब हर परिवार आश्वस्त। ये हैं लेबर रिफॉर्म्स। तो आइए मिलकर बनाएं श्रमिक सम्मान से आत्मनिर्भर भारत।
Sparks the meaningful change and reflects the society with honesty, compassion and depth. For decades, the films have played the vital role in awakening the social awareness, driving youth engagement, documenting our cultural heritage, our fostering the unity across the diverse nation. Today, the influence of the cinema is stronger than ever. Its audiovisual impact has been unmatched ability to inspire thought, influence behavior and open conversations that matter. With the rapid rise of the social media and digital platform, this impact has grown exponentially. The young filmmakers, storytellers and content creators are shaping the fresh narratives and experimenting with the new formats that transcends the geographical boundaries. Their creativity is giving an Indian cinema the renown, the global preference, and helping our stories to reach the audience every corner of the world. Goa has been the proud home of IFFI for the many years now and since becoming the permanent venue. And we have worked tirelessly to nurture this festival into truly the global cultural landmark. Hosting the IFFI is not just the annual event for us. It is a commitment to the celebration of creativity, encouraging the innovation and strengthening the India's cultural footprint in the world stage. Our vision of Goa is clear and ambitious. We are dedicated to making the state of the hub for filmmaking, the center for the training and mentoring the young artists, and preferred destination for the creative and media industries. Above all, we want Goa to remain the welcoming home for the storytellers from across the world, where the ideas can flourish and artistic exchange can thrive. Each passing IFFI is reinforced Goa's identity as the land of celebrations, art, culture, and the cinematic talent. And this year has been no exception. It is only the strengthening our resolve to continue support and upliftment of the world cinema in every possible way. I take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the Entertainment Society of the Goa, the volunteers, organizers, every individuals who work behind the screen for making the 56th IFFI the grand success. Your commitment, your hard work and seamless coordination, what makes this festival shine better every year. As we bring the magnificent chapter of the 56th IFFI closing, I hope that each one of you carries back the beautiful memories, meaningful conversations and renowned inspiration for your time here. These past days, I have been celebrating not only of the cinema, but the collaboration, creativity and shared passion. Goa will always welcome you with open arms, as a partner in creativity, as a friend in art, and as your proud home of this iconic festival. Your presence enriches these celebrations year after year, and we look forward to continuing this journey together. Let us move forward with the same spirit of unity, imagination and purpose. Let us continue to celebrate cinema, nurturing emerging talent and build bridges across the culture through the universal language of storytelling. Thank you, one and all. So we look forward to seeing you on the 57th IFFI for the next year. Thank you once again.
Pramodji, thank you so much for the love, the vision and the best 9 days of our lives. On behalf of every filmmaker, delegates and fan who lived the IFFI dream this year, thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, big final round of applause for Shri Pramod Sawant ji. Let's hear it for him, guys. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Thank you, sir.
We have a spectacular segment coming up from Waves OTT, but before that energy takes over the stage again, we want to pause for something a little bit more personal.
Exactly. We want to take a moment to step closer to all of you. IFFI has always been about voices, filmmakers, visionaries, collaborators from around the world, and tonight we want to step down and hear one of those voices personally. So shall we?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. हेलो हाँ जी। तो सबसे पहले मैं उनके पास जाना चाहूंगा जिनका मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूं। रवि किशन जी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। क्या बात है सर? So Ravi Kishan ji, I want to know from you कि as filmmakers, as studios, what inspiration, what inspired these people to come back to India, and especially IFFI every year?
IFFI, because IFFI has a different magic altogether. Goa, Bharat Sarkar, Suchna Prasaran Mantralay, Pramod Sawant ji, CM Sahab, the way he's handling, and everyone यहाँ पे Vasudev Kutumbakam, the way we host, भारत जिस तरह से एक स्वागत करता है अपने विजिटर्स का, फिल्म मेकर्स का, और जो भी भारत में आते हैं हमारे टूरिज्म का, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसीलिए आज इसकी चर्चा है और आज इसलिए आज पूरा देश चाहता है कि हम लोग इसी में आए। प्रणाम। द सुपरस्टार, द किंग रजनी सर, तो यही मुझे अच्छा लगा। और मैं व्हेनेवर टुडे, आज हमारा एक शो मामला लीगल है, नेटफ्लिक्स का OTT का, उसका 2nd सीजन का लॉन्च है, तो वी आर हियर फॉर द लॉन्च ऑल्सो। वेरी एक्साइटेड, यस, वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। वो सीजन ने नेटफ्लिक्स पे कई वीक, 26 वीक ट्रेंड किया, इंडिया में नंबर 1 ट्रेंड किया, मामला लीगल है। और वर्ल्ड ओवर में जहां अंग्रेजी लोग नहीं जानते हैं, हिंदी नहीं जानते, वहां पर भी 11 देशों में ट्रेंड किया। एक वकील की कहानी है, वकील की जिंदगी की, तो वकीलों की जिंदगी में ह्यूमर होगा। तो पोशंपा फिल्म, राहुल पांडे जी डायरेक्टर हैं। नेटफ्लिक्स को धन्यवाद, फॉर द नेटफ्लिक्स वी आर हियर टू प्रमोट 2nd सीजन हियर।
Thank you so much, sir. And moving on, Ramesh Sippy, sir, big fan of your film, and thank you so much for giving us so many memories. Sir, my question to you is that how important it is for young directors for this collaboration between Indian films and international films coming together and celebrating cinema?
No better way than to be at this wonderful place where creative minds from all over the world meet to give to the world cinema close to the heart. It stimulates the mind and reaches out to many hearts. I wish everyone here all the best and keep giving us these lovely films so we feel enriched for the rest of our lives.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
And my next question, and the next question is for Rishabh Shetty ji. My next question is, guys, next question is for Rishabh Shetty ji. My next question is for Rishabh Shetty ji. Guys, we need to calm down here. ऋषभ जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि साउथ इंडियन टेक ओवर जो हुआ है देश का, कंटारा से शुरू हुआ और उसके साथ बहुत सारी फिल्में, जो पूरा पैन इंडिया इम्पैक्ट है साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स का, उसकी वजह क्या है?
मैं ऐसा बिलीव नहीं करता हूं। सारे लैंग्वेज का, सारे स्टेट का इंडियन सिनेमा में कंट्रीब्यूशन है। आई थिंक लॉकडाउन के बाद थोड़ा ऑडियंस ने चेंज हुआ है कि सारे लैंग्वेज का जो एक बैरियर था वो हटा के वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देखने शुरू किए हैं। सारे रीजनल लैंग्वेज को भी इंडियन सिनेमा मान के देखने शुरू किए हैं। आई थिंक इसीलिए विजिबिलिटी ज़्यादा मिल रहा है। आई थिंक सारी लैंग्वेज का कंट्रीब्यूशन है, तो मैं वो डिफरेंस नहीं देख रहा हूँ।
ऋषभ जी, देयर हैज बीन अ पर्टिकुलर लव फॉर कंटारा। आपको लगता है कि इंडियन स्टोरी टेलिंग बेस्ड ऑन आवर मिथ्स, हमारे जो कल्चर्स हैं, डीप रूटेड ट्रेडिशंस है हमारी, उर्दू में है दास्तान गोई, यक्षगाना, ऐसी जो हमारी इंडिया की कहानियां हैं डीपली रूटेड, क्या हमें वेस्ट की तरफ देखने की जरूरत है एंड मेक रीमेक्स, या हमें अपने देश में ही ओरिजिनल फिल्में देखें? बिकॉज कंटारा हैज प्रूवन टू बी सच अ रनअवे हिट। व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दिस?
डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे कहानियां हैं हमारे रूटेड। हर गांव में नई नई कहानियां मिलती है आपको। सारे इंडिया गए तो आपको हजारों कहानियां मिलता है। आई थिंक इट इज अ टाइम शुड मेक दो स्टोरीज एंड शो इट टू द वर्ल्ड। हमारे भारत का क्या है करके दुनिया को दिखाने का आई थिंक समय आया है। बहुत सारे फिल्म मेकर्स कर रहे हैं, आगे भी कर रहे हैं, मैं बिलीव करता हूँ।
Thank you so much and more power to your storytelling. Thank you. Thank you.
And requesting everyone to please settle down. There is a performance which is ready. And requesting all the guests to please settle down and be with us for the next half of the show. Requesting everyone to please settle down. There's a performance waiting just for you guys to take your seat.
What wonderful conversations. It's moments like these that make IFFI so very special. Ladies and gentlemen, request you to please settle down.
Requesting everyone, please clear the front alley.
It's moments that make IFFI so special. The voices, the perspectives, the passion behind cinema. And now, as we continue this unforgettable evening,
we now welcome to the stage Grammy-nominated Kirtan singer, writer, Bhakti Yoga practitioner, Achyuta Gopiji, whose presence in India has been igniting a renewed wave of devotion across the country.
this evening, Achyuta Gupta ji is joined by the Bhakti brothers, Wah Ustad and the Vairaginis. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them with a big round of applause.
जो मैं पी के पास गई
जब छब देखी पीहू की
तो मैं अपनी भूल गई छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाए के 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 मोसे नैना
मेहदी गिरे मोती नैना गिरे चे आप तिलक सबसी
डोलची गवाना देख लगी कुड़ी अख ते
Govinda, Govinda.
तो प्रधानमंत्री इस वक्त उडुपी स्थित श्री कृष्ण मठ में पूजा अर्चना कर रहे हैं और इसकी स्थापना अगर बात की जाए इस मठ की तो वैष्णव संत माधवाचार्य ने 13वीं शताब्दी में की और यहाँ पे बहुत अनूठी परंपरा ये है जिसको अभी आपने देखा भी कि भगवान कृष्ण की मूर्ति जो है वो बाल स्वरूप में है और दर्शन करने के लिए एक विशेष खिड़की मौजूद है जिसे कनकना किंदी कहा जाता है। इसी के माध्यम से आप वहाँ पर दर्शन अभिलाषी बन सकते हैं और ऐसी प्राचीन कथा है कि भक्त कनकदास का जो गहरा भक्तिभाव है उसी की वजह से ऐसा होता है। तो यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री पूजा अर्चना करते हुए वहाँ पर जो महंत हैं उनके साथ संवाद करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं और कनकना किंदी जो कि स्वर्ण रूप में है उसके जरिए दर्शन करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ नजर आ रहे हैं। तो उडुपी की बात जब हम करते हैं, दक्षिण भारत का एक प्रमुख धार्मिक और सांस्कृतिक केंद्र है। इसे दक्षिण भारत का मथुरा भी कहा जाता है। और सबसे अहम कि 8 मठों की अद्भुत परंपरा है। श्री माधवाचार्य ने श्री कृष्ण मंदिर की सेवा और प्रशासन के लिए 8 मठों की स्थापना की थी, जो अनूठी व्यवस्था, धर्म अनुशासन और सामूहिक प्रबंधन का एक सटीक उदाहरण है। तो उडुपी का नाम लेते ही जिस तरह श्री कृष्ण मंदिर की छवि सामने आती है, यह मंदिर मध्यकालीन संत श्री माधवाचार्य की परंपरा से जुड़ा है और वैष्णव भक्तों के लिए आस्था का अत्यंत पवित्र केंद्र माना जाता है। अनूठी व्यवस्था, अनूठी बात यह कि भगवान कृष्ण के इस बाल स्वरूप के दर्शन अभिलाषी आप तभी बन पाते हैं जब वहाँ जो कनकना किंदी है, एक छोटी सी खिड़की से उनका दर्शन किया जाता है, दर्शन आप कर